Oscar Wilde, a prominent theatre practitioner, once said, "Theatre is the most immediate way in which a human being can share with another the sense of what it is to be a human being." Here at IQkidz Drama Arts, we offer each child a chance to develop into a well-rounded individual. Drama arts aim to equip each child with self-awareness before developing social and environmental awareness.
Funny Freddy Frog does funny tricks.
Drama arts classes are made up of linguistic training, mime, and imaginative play. Children who take part in our educational fun-filled activities will develop their communication skills, artistic skills, and the power of their imagination. At the end of the program, children can use the techniques that they learn to better express themselves through speech and body language.
Okay, who's going to catch it? Who's going to catch it? Come on.
IQkidz Drama Arts curriculum focuses on three main components: pedestal talk, speech training exercises leading on to language development, and creative drama activities.
There was an old man and an old woman who lived in a cottage, and they had a little goose. Another golden egg. Oh no! Any more eggs inside? Oh no! What have we done?
Pedestal talk develops presentational skills in a public speaking setting. Children are given the opportunity to present personal views and ideas to their fellow classmates on the pedestal. With guidance from teachers, children will build their confidence and self-esteem in addressing an audience.
Wonderful.
What does she do?
She fight the bad guys. My favorite superhero is Ultraman.
Ultraman. Wow.
Because Ultraman is very powerful.
He's powerful.
Secondly, speech training exercises and language development trains children to speak in a clear and defined manner while building on their vocabulary.
Yay! Let's go!
Children recite and memorize numerous types of contemporary and traditional rhymes, poetry, and stories from different backgrounds and cultures. Through this, they familiarize and strengthen their use of the English language.
What shall we say? One smart fellow? Yes! Ready? 1, 2, go!
Last but not least, creative drama activities are seamlessly weaved into the class to encourage students to think creatively and exercise their imagination.
What is smart?
Most importantly, imaginative stories help children reflect on their decision-making, daily practices, and surroundings. With these life skills at hand, IQkidz Drama Arts will help children connect to the real world, the classroom, the home, public settings, and later on in the working world. So come with us on an adventure to explore an intriguing world today.